passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month. Passive income can help you earn more during the good times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed or even if you voluntarily take time away from work. On top of that, wouldn't it be great if you can earn massive profit with low investments? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn some passive income with only a little amount of cash in your hands. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. In practice, you may do some or all of the work up front, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way too. For example, you may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained in order to keep the passive dollars flowing. But if you're committed to the strategy, it can be a great way to generate income, and you'll create some extra financial security for yourself along the way. So if you're thinking about creating a passive income stream, check out these low investment strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with them. Number 1. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera, and even YouTube. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information, or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock-picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. All you need for this job is a good internet connection, HD quality camera to record videos, and a peaceful environment. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awan, and ShareASale are among the larger names too. In addition, Instagram and TikTok have also become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some serious coin. So, all you need is some skills to attract and convince readers to click on the link and buy something. 3. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. After that, the platform pays you every time someone uses your photo. For this job, you'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. It's one of the easiest ways of earning passive income, and all you need is a good camera and some extraordinary photography skills. Number 4. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog isn't what it used to be. This side hustle isn't about starting a 2008-style online journal where you write about your life. If you got a hobby or a passion, you can turn it into a side hustle by regularly blogging about it. This side hustle has the potential of turning into a full-time business that makes over 6 figures a year. Number 5. Become a voiceover actor. Voiceover work can be a great way to earn some extra cash online. The best part about it, you can do it anywhere and anytime, with minimal experience or equipment. Whether you have a voice talent or just looking into adding another source of income, this side hustle is definitely worth exploring. It's never been easier to find a voiceover job. There are a lot of sites out there that you can join for free and get started. All you need is somewhere quiet enough where you can work and a working microphone. Voiceover for non-broadcast work can bring in anywhere from $200 to $600 for a job, but it all depends on what type of voice artist you are. Short films might be one-off jobs, whereas corporate videos and video game work can be recurring if you do a great job. As your portfolio grows and people start recognizing talent, you may start to get TV commercial jobs that pay thousands. Number 6. Become a freelance writer. Do you like writing? Do you have a blog, or have you submitted a blog post to another website? If you are, why not get paid for it? If you're good at what you do and have the skills, then there are side hustle opportunities out there to make a lot of extra money as a freelance writer. It's a great time to be a freelancer. There are so many ways you can make some money on the side. From writing product descriptions, transcribing audio recordings to proofreading other people's work. The best part about this gig, it doesn't take much commitment or motivation. Just pick jobs that interest you based on what interests you most and fit them into your schedule around everything else going on in life. This side hustle could be the perfect addition to your portfolio and even give you some extra cash. The average pay for writing or proofreading varies, but if you're good at writing what you do, there's the potential to earn up to $3K per month from just 3-4 completed jobs. They may be hard to come by, but basic earnings range from $70 to $300 per article, which is still great. With practice and experience, there's a huge opportunity for serious income from this side hustle while still working full-time. Number 7. Become a research participant. If you are willing to spend some time answering questions related to your field, you can make a handsome side income every month. Respondent is a website where researchers look for business professionals who can answer their research questions. Researchers on this website look for software developers, marketers, salespeople, business owners, executives, and enterprise software users. The amount of money you can make depends on your profession and your experience level. The highest paying profession on this site is executive and pays an average of $700 an hour. Respondent is a great way to create an additional income stream. Signing up only takes a couple of minutes, and then when you are invited to a study, you get to pick a suitable time to participate. Number 8. Do retail arbitrage online. Arbitrage is when you buy something at a low price and sell it at a higher price. The difference is your profit. If you are good at hunting bargain deals and securing products for a low price, this is the online side hustle for you. The idea is to buy a product from one site at a low price that you know you can sell for a higher price on another site. In some cases, you might have to hold the product for a few weeks and wait for the prices to rise. A good example is buying rare Pokémon cards and holding them until they become scarce in the marketplace. The amount of money you can make from this side hustle depends on experience and the amount of research you do. The best place to start is a niche you already know about. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which one of the listed side hustles are you good at? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.